Alright guys, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. This will be kind of part two. But the turbo system came in. It actually came in while I was like halfway into the rear seat delete. So that was a good surprise. I was only expecting one package and the UPS guy said I had 6. So it's like Christmas. But anyway, the turbo kit did come in. So still waiting on the fuel system. Still waiting on the hat. So once that comes in, we'll get going again. I want to knock the fuel system out first, just because I can get all the wiring and all that done, and not have to really be out in the cold. It's like 20 degrees in Indiana right now. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update. So I do have one of the turbos. The other turbo's in the house. I didn't feel like carrying both of them out. But anyway, we'll unbox the one. Right, so here it is. Here's one of them. One of the turbos. 61 millimeter ceramic ball bearing turbos. I didn't get the billet wheel. It's just a cast wheel. But I did opt for the ball bearing upgrade. I was going to stick to journal bearings, but figured why not? Why not upgrade? You know, for the price I got the kit for. Basically, almost evened out upgrading to the ball bearings if I would have just got the journal bearing through ON3. So actually went through, it was Juggernaut Power, something like that. I forgot the name of him. But anyway, DJ from Juggernaut, he hooked it up, and I pulled the trigger on the kit. I was gonna wait, but couldn't pass up a good deal. So anyway, I didn't opt to get the bigger exhaust housing. We're gonna see how this one does. So I didn't want to stray too far from the base kit, because I know a lot of guys are looking at the base kits. But yeah, the turbos came, everything else came. I'll show you guys. So I believe this is all the cold side piping. It's cold side piping. And the light probably sucks a little bit through here, but everything else is over here. You got, I think this is the blow off. Yep, blow off valve is in here. And you got your hot side piping, your intercooler. I believe these are the headers, or the turbo manifolds right here. And this is all the seatbelt junk from the rear seat delete. You got your filters, wastegates, and then I actually opted to pick up these, which are the turbo blankets. So the only upgrades I did to the kit were turbo blankets, the ball bearing turbos, and a vacuum block. So other than those 3 things, it's really a base kit. I mean, if you can call it a base kit. But yeah, you got everything else you need back here. Got your vacuum hose. Got all the clamps and looks like exhaust bolts for the manifolds. Got your oil kit for your oil feed and return. AC for AC extension. Battery relocation kit. Got all of the tubing back here and a bunch of other stuff. So it's all here, ready to go, ready to get installed. I may upgrade the oil drain to a 10 AN, but as of right now, I plan on just throwing the stock on there, or maybe once I get to that point, I'll just go ahead and order the upgrade and do the upgrade. But yeah, but so far that's the kit. That's all that's here. Waiting on the fuel stuff, like I said. Once all that comes in, start rolling, get the ball rolling again, and hoping to have this kit done and installed by the spring so I can have some fun with it over the summer. So fingers crossed everything goes to plan. Alright, so showed you the turbo. So here it is. You always got to spin it. Always. But anyway, that's the turbo 61mm ceramic ball bearing from ON3. It's home for the time being. That'll be its home. I'll start doing the kit. So you got, you get 2 of these for your exhaust. So I have an AWE track edition catback. So I plan on hopefully keeping that. I believe you just cut off the reducers to the stock, whatever, 2.5, and they should bolt right up. So I'm hoping you got your battery wire. So you do got to relocate the fuse box with these kits, and your ECU right under the what is it? Bumper? Well, not the bumper. Right behind the bumper, right behind the headlight. Got to relocate it under there. So vacuum line. I think I got extra vacuum line too. So then you got your drain and feed. Looks like you have pretty much everything you need in here. All the fittings. Looks like it's a 4AN feed. And then just a giant return. Not really sure of the return size. We got your AC line. So you can keep your AC, you know. Summertime, you got to keep cool. And manifold header bolts. And it looks like some hose clamps and whatnot. Let's take another look at the turbo blankets. So here's the turbo blankets. I think it's a $150 option to add them on. So they look really good, really nice. I mean, hopefully they do their job. I don't see why they wouldn't. And we got upgraded, or I wouldn't say upgraded, added those on. You got your air filters. You get 2 air filters. Let's take a look at one of the wastegates. So I haven't opened these yet. Let's move all this stuff back over here. So let's take a look at one of the wastegates. Oh, he's got to love unboxing things. So here is one of the wastegates. Comes with clamps, your V-bands. Comes with, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to take them off, but it comes with some more V-bands in case you have your own piping. You can weld them in instead of using the ones on the if you're not using the kit, I guess. Right in there. So then you got ports, looks like, for the vacuum lines. Oh, here we are. Ports for the vacuum lines and all of that. Put that away, put that back. So you got 2 of those. 2 of those. Alright, here we go. We'll open up the blow-off valve. Take a look at that. There's a bunch more small parts in that crate in there, like your sandwich plate for your oil feed and all of that. It's kind of cold out here, and I don't feel like opening it all. So here's your blow-off valve. right here. So comes with V-band, comes with fittings, comes with your gasket. Another one in there. All that. So yeah, that's pretty much the heart of the kit right there. All the little stuff is in the crate on the shelf, and can't wait to get it installed in this. Can't wait for warm weather. This Indiana cold sucks. So yeah, thanks for watching. I know this was kind of a boring video. I figured I'd update you guys on the process. Once the fuel head comes in, I'll have some more content about wiring all that up and sealing up the top of the ON3 head. I know there's a lot of questions about what to use and how to do it, so we will knock that out once it gets in, hopefully today. We're expecting another Dark Star wheel, or was it Race Star, Dark Stars. Ordered a set of those so I can get some drag radials for the back. So hopefully that'll be here today, and hopefully the oil, or the fuel system. The fuel system, yes, the fuel system. So yeah, I don't know if I already said it, but if I didn't, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. If you got any opinions, I'm open to all opinions, criticism, anything. This is my first turbo install, completely new to this, so I've always been a supercharger guy, but I think it's time for some twins. So we're gonna go with some twin turbos for the Mustang. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.